Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing me around going through for a bike ride, so let's get the video started.
Where's my youth and all this hungry, I understand youth and where's my hungry, I understand and rage clean, hungry, where's my youth and all this hungry, I understand youth and where's my hungry, I understand and rage clean, hungry, my youth and all this hungry, I understand youth and where's my hungry, I understand and rage clean, hungry, where's my youth and all this hungry, I understand youth and where's my hungry, I understand and rage clean, hungry,
I'ma do the truth like I'm fool. No intention, hanging loose, no mannerism. Go and pick the favorite tool, get a shot or two. Hold the bottle, go good, oh, I make a scene or two.
I'm regularly up for y'all. None of it matter at the end of all. Offended be seeing the cause. Trouble you good at the mental state of the fuck with none. Y'all say it's a phase. Say it's a way of playing, how to seek and only to gravitate towards the love and up of vanity. I sail the night alone till I see the bottom level. Yeah, send my heart a tour, and I let them know the menace. Yeah, from the night shown, and I keep it going. Says no, see my chemical Sundays. Painted eyes on it, camouflage on a fake disguise on it. Turn the light on it, making me silent. Gives me violent, gives me violent. Real violent. Nigga, feel the moment below. Nigga, feel the moment below. Let it go. Nigga, feel the moment below. Let it go. Nigga, feel the moment below. Let it go. Nigga, feel the moment below.
Gotta get him, rush, feel ya.
Nigga, feel the moment below.
Like I'm she assume. No intention, hanging loose, no mannerism.
Nigga, feel the moment below.
Get a shot or two. Hold the bottle, go good, oh, I make a scene or two.
Nigga, feel the moment.
Call it a gay, know that it's obvious. I ain't got nothing to say, 내가 또 담아갔어. Loving the fake impressions, I get it daily. Frankly, I'm on the road, chasing the same thing over and over again till I throw up and I'm growing up. Ego is all you got, funny it tells the plot. Cover the swells, you got beat up, I've been raised to follow whatever you say you thought.
So get a shot or two.
Failure's never an option.
Make a scene or two.
Failure's never an option.
Painted eyes on it, camouflage on a fake
Russia. And you know that answer better than anybody. I never worked for Russia. Not only did I never work for Russia, I think it's a disgrace that you even asked that question, because it's a whole big fat hoax. It's just a hoax.
So sadistic, always on that fucking killer shit. Bullets on the beat and see an average gang of murderers. Nothing gonna phase us out and watch us as we